Nde one afambu chomoji. Achomi weterunu tata. Otutu ilu Igbo. Ilu bụ mmanụ ndị Igbo dị elokwu. Gee ntị ka ịnụ ilu dị iche. Onye ji mmadụ naanị dị onwe ya. If you think you're holding somebody down or trying to stop somebody's progress, remember, you are going down with them. While you are trying to pin them down, remember one thing, you are going down with them. You are also down with them. Chikere Odum agaghị ekwe ka ọ taa ahịhịa. The God that created the lion will never allow it to eat grass. A lion can never eat grass. This means that whatever you do, always remember that God will never let you down. Keep pushing, but you are a lion. Igbo plucking mango. I have a proverb for you. Here is this Igbo proverb. Iyere adige eme onyara, kosi eme umunne ya. A madman is never shy or ashamed, but the people who is greatly affected and who are always ashamed is the family of the madman. So you can be ashamed or shy for me. As for me, stay tuned next Friday for another episode of Igbo Proverb Friday with Chomoji. If you see this anywhere in the world, repost. Biko, Yermaka, 2000. Chomoji in the building, aka Adandibo, aka Chibibiti, Beauty Brains and Talent.